welcome back to the Tester channel. Today we're going to talk about why doodles are such great dogs to have. And we're doing this video for all you, everyone who's out there in a dog hunt, trying to find just like the perfect dog for you and your family. One reason that we feel doodles are great as like just a companion and a dog is, well, because they're hypoallergenic, and hypoallergenic means that they're less likely to make you have an allergic reaction if you are allergic to those kinds of stuff. That's why they're such great if you do have an allergic reaction. Our second reason is they're so great around children. As you can see, like, he also listens to my sister and he knows how to act around her. And then with my brother, my big brother, he plays rough with him, and they know how to act around. He knows how to act around him. So they know how to act around different people and know their personalities, and he just know how to act around them. Our third reason is because their labradoodles are so smart. With Teddy, he learned like tricks, like he learned them very fast, and my mom didn't have to spend a penny on him. She just had to like show him what to do and really have patience with him, and he just learned them. That's what we love about Teddy, labradoodles and Teddy, because they're just smart. Another reason is that labradoodles, they want to be with you. It's not like they don't want to be with you. Every time I'm just alone on my bed or anything, he hops up and he asks me to come with him and like pet him. And that's what I love just about him or labradoodles, because they want to be around you and be with you every moment. Yeah, that's just what I love about labradoodles. They're adorable overall, too, and they're so fluffy and just easy to handle too. And as you can see, just listening to my sister, so I mean, they're really great. But in the end, all dogs, they have their own personalities. He's not like any labradoodle has his own personality. He's not like every labradoodle out there. My Teddy, he has his own personality. He's shy sometimes, but when he gets to really know people, he's fun, he's lovable, he's funny. He just funny things all the time. That's just what we love about all dogs. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. Bye.